Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday. Happy Monday to you all. And yes, I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. So yes, it is April. It's the fourth month of what is it? The year 2022, fourth month. Yes, happy April to you. And yes, it is spring. Happy spring. Yeah, we're looking forward to those beautiful flowers, roses, all of those. I love hydrangeas. Yes, I'm looking forward to all these beautiful flowers and springtime. Yes, newness, you know? Yes. So as we continue with the series, what to do when there is no doctor, what to do when there is no doctor. Yeah, we are going to be looking at some of the kits that you need to have, ensure that you have. I did promise you last week that I'll show you inside my personal first aid kit. However, that will take a lot more time than we can allot for today, so we will do that next week. What we'll do today, we will share with you an overview of some of the kits that you should consider having. And thanks to the Altons, we will be sharing from the book the Survival Medicine Handbook. So, yes, this is what we're going to be sharing from today. If you have it, yes, we're in class. So, if you have it, we will be sharing from pages 30 onward. So, we'll be sharing from the section Medical Supplies, section 3. So, keep watching.
Disclaimer: I am no medical doctor, and so these natural remedies are shared as recommendations. Use considerately.
How prepared are you to live off the grid or to live in an austere setting? Yes. Are you ready to live in the country? Are you prepared? What to do when there is no doctor? No doctor? Definitely gotta grab for your first aid kit. You gotta grab for your individualized first aid kit. And that term is IFAK. Yes, individualized first aid kit. You definitely have to have that. Now we will run down a few of the things that is important, or just a few, but next week we will go more in depth with what is recommended, and personally what I recommend. We'll do that next week, and I'm excited to do that next week. We don't have the time today to go into that because it will take a lot of time, but as we talk about the kits that you need to have, first you need to consider having the individualized first aid kit. Yes, individualized first aid kit. And also, you got to think about the vehicle kit. The vehicle kit. Very important, especially if you have a car or if you have a vehicle. Also, you need to consider having a family kit. According to Doctors Joseph and Amy Alton, in the book, the Survival Medicine Handbook, they recommend that you have a family kit. And you may be saying, family kit? Why a family kit if I already have an individualized first aid kit? Now, with the family kit, it is important for you to think about the different pieces of the family kit. And they broke it down into a few areas of the kit. So you definitely need to have eye care module. You also need to consider having dental module or a dental kit, eye care kit, and yes, an emergency obstetric kit. Also, they encourage you to have a pediatric kit, especially if you have children. Yes, they do include a natural remedy kit. Natural remedy kit. And like I told you, I truly love this book. I really do, because it is so comprehensive. And as we talk about natural remedy kit, I see they talk about aloe vera, having aloe vera, cayenne powder, having witch hazel, which is a wonderful toner, not just toner, but it's a wonderful wound care. It can be used for wound care. And aloe vera, I am happy to share with you, first time on Monday Meds, the Vinnie's Collection aloe vera oil. Yes, I will be doing a video specifically for it, but I'm happy to share it with you. It is for hair care, and it's also for skin care. And yes, when I saw aloe vera here, I'm like, yes, this is one thing you want to have in your kit. Yes, you definitely want to have this to help you with wound. Well, it can help you with antibacterial, so it has antibacterial properties in it, so it is great for your skin, it's great for your hair, and also for your nail care. So it's multifaceted. So yes, if you definitely want to have a bottle, definitely send me an email, drop me a line, or in the comment section of this video you can reach out to me. All right, so as we think about all these different kits that you need to have, and as we talk about natural remedy kit, as he recommended, or as they recommended, we are sharing this feature, what to do when there is no doctor, because we want you to be so prepared. We have been sharing a lot of natural remedies previously on my personal channel, and if you're new here, you can definitely check in the playlist. There is a playlist of all the videos that we've done on Monday Meds on my personal channel. So yes, these are to help you to be better prepared and have natural remedies, knowledge and skill. As we talked about knowledge last week, it is important that if you're the family medic, that you have the knowledge, and like we said, you share it with your family and those who are close to you. So it is our encouragement that you will use these tips, you will consider these areas. Like I said, we will go more in depth with them, but today we share an overview with you, as yes, it is time sensitive. We have a short time, and so we wanted to share this with you so you can have something to consider, and even something to prep as you consider, what do you have in your first aid kit? What do you have in your IFAK, your individualized first aid kit? As we wrap up Monday Meds today, I'm reminded of the parable found in Matthew 25 of the virgins, the 10 virgins. 5 were wise and 5 were foolish. As we talk about oil, we talk about aloe vera oil. These virgins, they needed oil to trim their lamps. Are you one of the wise virgins? Or would you be one of the foolish virgins who did not carry extra oil? I encourage you this week that you will be like the 5 wise virgins. Get extra virgin oil that you will have when you need it most. I pray that you will have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.